course will honestly be so much fun. So if you don't know what I am talking about, or you haven't read the title or the thumbnail yet, it's mainly about learning basics of Python in 10 days. So I am going to be conducting classes on Google Meet. If you want to join the live classes, click here to fill the Google form and fill out it, and it has the schedule of the timings and everything. So there is a bandwidth of how many people can actually join. The first 10 people who will sign up here will get to participate, and the rest will have to see from the recorded content on YouTube. I have kept it simple, and one more thing, it will be on English. So if you are not very good at English, don't worry, you can ask question in Hindi too. But remember, I will be conducting another classes exceptionally in Hindi so that you will understand it better and will be able to communicate and see on the classes or in the recorded forms. And the recorded videos will be uploaded at 8:30, and the schedule of the live classes is provided down in the forms. So check it out and see you on the next video. Till then, bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.